shown Jaws on like those inflatable screens, like on lakes before.
I was gonna say, at least it's like in water that you can see.
Right.
You know, sitting out in the lake where it's a little murky.
I think I'd be creeped out.
Yeah, maybe so. All right, check in this morning. We've got sunrise coming up here in just a bit at 5:38 a.m. Sunset this evening, 8:23. Remember, a lot of those firework displays here in the region probably won't occur until after 9 o'clock, though, because it really takes quite a while this time of year for us to even get to the dark side. But we continue to track some showers out there this morning. Dave's kind of laughing. I know I didn't word that perfectly there, but tracking a couple of showers this morning. Moving over towards, say, Pinckneyville, just to the south and west. There's Ava seeing some light rain right now, and a few more heavier downpours, say closer to just north side of Chester and approaching the Steelville area. So a lot of this is just in the far northwest corner of our viewing area. Talking Perry County, northwest Jackson County, parts of Randolph County. Elsewhere, everything is dry right now. And I don't think many of these showers are going to last for very long. We were taking a great view just a few minutes ago of that full moon, now making its way a little bit lower in the horizon on our camera in Metropolis. Meanwhile, Poplar Bluff showing quite a few clouds overhead, a few breaks in those clouds in Sparta right now, and looking out at Mount Vernon with a few clouds overhead this morning as well. Temperatures back in the upper 60s and lower 70s, kind of a muggy morning. One thing I noticed, as soon as you step outside, you can smell the mold, the mildew, because of all the humidity we've had around here the last couple of weeks, starting to get right here into the hotter months of summer. That's for sure here on the 4th of July. And a hot and humid day coming up today. Highs back into the 90s. We're talking heat index values likely mid-90s. And there is a chance for a few more showers and thunderstorms this afternoon, primarily where we're seeing them this morning. Southwest Illinois, parts of southeast Missouri. Better chances for more storms into Wednesday. That's a cold front that is going to start cooling us down through the second half of the week. There's the showers we're tracking this morning. Lots of clouds moving in from the south and the west. Our breeze today will be very light from the south. Lunchtime temperatures, we're already into the upper 80s. Heat index values likely into the lower 90s. It is going to be kind of a warm, muggy afternoon. Highs today running up into the lower 90s. Heat index values maybe pushing just over the mid 90s. And here we go about 4 o'clock, tracking a few of those scattered showers and storms developing. Notice where across southeast Missouri and then back into southwest Illinois. Heavy downpours, a little thunder and lightning. That's going to be the biggest threat. We're not at this point anticipating any severe weather, but a couple persistent showers could linger around through the early part of the evening hours. This is about 9 o'clock. Most of us back into the lower 80s, and then overnight dipping back into the 70s. Tomorrow afternoon, another chance for some scattered showers and storms. A little more energy in the atmosphere on Wednesday, so some of those storms could be on the strong side, but much like today, whatever develops is probably going to fade away fairly quickly once the sun goes down and we lose some of that daytime heating. Wednesday is going to be another hot and humid day. Severe weather outlook the next couple of days. There you go for today, but then we look ahead to tomorrow afternoon. Notice Storm Prediction Center now putting us in a level 2 on a scale of 1 to 5. So if we see any stronger storms on Wednesday, the biggest threat will be across southwest Illinois and parts of southeast Missouri. In addition to heavy rain, frequent lightning, we're talking the possibility of some large hail and some strong winds with a couple isolated storms. Rainfall amounts will be heaviest in some of our north and western counties, lesser amounts to the east. There you go into Wednesday, about a 60% chance for some showers and storms. Cold front moves through, but it is slow to get all the way through our region, which means some lingering showers into parts of Thursday. Temperatures going from the 90s next couple of days back into the upper 80s. We'll stay in the upper 80s through the weekend with a few more chances for some scattered showers and storms by Saturday and Sunday.
You know, he's talking about it taking a while for it to get dark enough to watch fireworks. You know, there's something else you can do in the meantime.
What's that?